Welcome to Auto Install. In this guide, I will show you how to fix ARC Riders online connection error ARAU0297 on your PC.
Fix 1. Restart game and launcher. Step 1. Close Arc Raiders completely. Step 2. Close Steam Epic Launcher. Step 3. Reopen the launcher and start the game again. Fix 2. Check Arc Raiders server status. Step 1. Search Arc Raiders server status on Google X or Steam. Step 2. If servers are down, wait until they are back online. Step 3. Try reconnecting again after a few minutes. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Use a wired LAN connection if possible. Step 3. Test internet speed. Make sure it is stable. Fix 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. Turn off your VPN. Step 2. Turn off any proxy settings. Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 5. Allow Arc Raiders through firewall. Step 1. Open Windows Security, Firewall and Network Protection. Step 2. Click Allow an app through firewall. Step 3. Add Arc Raiders in your launcher, Steam Epic. Step 4. Enable both private and public.